don't you pull at them flowers. Hey y'all, so there goes the birthday boy. Tayden, where are you going? You can't go out there with your brother. You want to say hey? You hurting yourself. I know you done scratched your knee up. Hey man, what's going on? Y'all, he stays trying to jump off steps. Yeah, Talik wants y'all to know he's getting locks. So, yeah, I hate that my hair is sticking out. I think I need to intertwine it with some of these clip-ins.
Oh, before you fall down. Look.
Why, son?
No.
Tayden, why? So, yeah, we're about to take Tayden to this little fun place. Terrence knows the name of it. It's like somewhere in Kansas. But that's where we're going to go. And I'm going to continue to try to mix my hair in with these clip-ins. We'll see how that goes. But this might not be up too much longer. But, yeah. Terrence went to go pick up Tayden's cake. And he should be on his way back. Once he gets back, we're going to go ahead and leave. Yeah. And y'all, I'm so annoyed. So, how come? Y'all know... I don't know if I've uploaded it yet. If I have, great. If I haven't, but I filmed a little bit of TJ's birthday stuff the week before. Not a lot because my camera died and I thought I had grabbed my other battery. But when we went to pick up TJ's cake, they didn't have his cake made because they got the dates mixed up. They thought his cake was scheduled to be picked up today, the day that I set up for Tayden's cake. So, and the lady that does the cakes wasn't there, so they really couldn't do anything. Not only that, which I think I knew this, but I was just like, because I did it for Yanni before and they put it on her cake, but I don't think they knew we got off the internet. But TJ wanted an anime character on his cake, and they called me yesterday and told me they couldn't because it's considered copyright. So I had to hurry up and send them a picture of TJ to put on his cake. So I don't even know how his cake is gonna look. So both cakes are getting picked up today. So TJ didn't even have his birthday cake last week, and he didn't want just a cake, just a random cake. He said he wanted the cake that he wanted, and now I had to let him know yesterday that he can't even get the guy he wanted on his cake, this anime character. So that we had to put his picture. Yeah, we had to put his picture on there, but he was okay with it. But we're gonna have 2 birthday cakes today because they messed up the dates, and I specifically told them I needed one on the 19th and one on the 26th, and of course they messed up. So it is what it is. It'll be 2 birthday cakes today, and TJ said he still wanted it because we didn't have to pay for it at that time, so Terrence is gonna pay for it now. But yeah, it's just, I hate when stuff doesn't go to plan. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all when we get ready to go. Okay, y'all, so Terrence got back with the cakes. Here's Tayden's cake. Happy 2nd birthday, Tayden. With the baby shark and the little cute picture. And then here's TJ's cake. I told y'all, y'all know, we couldn't use what he wanted, so they had to change the whole outside color. Because it was supposed to be black and red with the little man person, whoever he was. What's his name?
Ichigo.
Who?
Ichigo.
Ichigo. So we couldn't put Ichigo right there. So since I sent this picture last minute, they just changed it to match with like some of the colors in his shirt. Still nice. But we are about to go. Look at my handsome kids. And sorry y'all can't see because every time I face it towards...
I know, I'm just calling and sitting at the front.
Tayden, why? What are you doing?
I don't care.
Who's calling to sit at... What?
Talik wants to sit at the front, not the back. I don't care.
No, the only reason
yeah, that was in the front because it was his birthday, and it was, and I needed just, and cause yeah.
He's not talking about the front. He's talking about
like the 2nd row.
Yeah, you don't want to be in the back.
What's good, everybody? So we are at Super Kids Club for Tay's birthday, celebrating for Tay. And He is in the ball pit right now. TJ and Talika are over there somewhere. That's TJ up there. Oh, they ran off now. Oh, there they go. Hey, y'all look out for them smaller kids, man.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Hello! TJ, come on! Okay, come here!
Doing it like that.
Go, Taylor! Yay! He did. Yay, Sticky! Good job! I just want to see what he gonna do. I know he ain't finna do none of that. Yeah, we need to get him from over here because he's only staying over here. Look, let's go over here with Daddy. Come on. Look. Woo! Look, Tater.
Teddy, look.
Baby. Let me see if I can record him doing it. Push it in there. Good job. Yeah, push it up, son. How you like it? Y'all, so now we have left from, where was the place we was at again called? Kids Zone? What is it, Kids Club? Super Kids Club. So, hey, how are you? So we are now going to the Cheesecake Factory per the boys' request. And then my husband was like, let's go to Cheesecake Factory. So that's where we're going. Tayden is asleep. Birthday boy is knocked out. And we're about to eat at Cheesecake Factory.
There we go.
Alright.
Mama.
Let me come over there.
He's going for TJ.
Watch out, Nikki. Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and sing happy birthday to TJ and Tayden. Remember earlier I told y'all what happened. So here we go. Ready? And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear TJ and Tayden. Happy birthday to you. TJ, make a wish and blow out your candles. Yay, good job, buddy. Now, Tayden, put the candles down and focus. Look, let's blow your candles. Blow.
I don't
Ooh.
No, just blow them out for me. There.
Yay!
Alright, do you want me to take these?
Don't mind me. I took them clip-ins out. So this is me right here. Top is still in a bun. But honey, let me tell y'all. I see why now I don't wear clip-ins. Because them things was stabbing me.
Right here.
He's over here. Them things was stabbing me. Y'all missed the happy birthday. Y'all missed the happy birthday.
It's that monster, baby.
So, yeah, I took pictures of him. Ooh, child, honey, don't come for me, y'all. Don't be talking about me, y'all.
Where you get them from?
From the hair store. They're synthetic. And they were matting up and poking me in my dang scalp. Hurting the heck out of my head. I was in the Cheesecake Factory like, okay, I gotta get these out. I gotta get these out. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. As Tayden is trying to dig in his brother's cake. Let me cut them a piece of cake because it is getting a little late, but they want cake. So I'm gonna give them some cake. I need to straighten up in my kitchen. Tayden, I'm gonna see if he eats it, but I doubt it.
He's probably just gonna smash it. Taylor, you got your own cake to mess up.
So let me go ahead and just end this vlog. Another thing, thank you all for the happy birthdays for TJ and for Tayden. Keela's birthday is literally tomorrow. And she made sure I did not get her a cake, which again,
I didn't make sure. I just didn't want them.
Why don't y'all like cakes?
I don't like to eat. And it's like, yeah, it's just I won't eat it. So, like nobody ate my cake. They played in a couple.
Why'd you cut your cake if you didn't?
Because I was gonna get a slice and I ended up not wanting one. And Tay didn't have wanted some, and he was the only one. He was the only one who ate my cake, literally for like 3 days.
Ooh, Tayden just dug in his cake. Woohoo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Woohoo! As he gets. All right, y'all. Peace out.
I did throw them at you.